Okay, so parang nag-start po ako sa Dagupan, yun po yung hometown ko, and nag-graduate po ako doon till elementary. And then grade 7, lumipat po ako ng Manila to Green Hills, and then after nun, 1 year lang po ako doon, then lumipat po ako ng Zobel from grade 8 to until mag-graduate na po. And then, syempre, for college, DLSU rin po.
So, kumbaga, naikutan ni Raven lahat ng Lasal campuses
Correct.
sa Maynila.
Bacolod.
Ay, oo nga pala. Hindi ka pa nakapunta ng Lasal Bacolod.
Kaya naalala ko to, no, si Raven. Ang tanong ko, Raven, anong height mo nung papunta kang Lasal Green Hills? You were mga 14 nito, di ba?
Yes
14 years
po,
old.
grade 7. Around, I think 6'2 po, 6'3.
6'2". Oh.
Meron kayong experience eh. Naririnig ko kanina, nagkukwentuhan kayo sa...
Yeah.
Oh.
Hindi ko makalimutan itong si Raven. At that time, he was still young because obviously he was one of the tallest, no?
Yeah.
At that time, the junior NBA camp. And nag-strike siya talaga sa akin aside from his height because I was telling him earlier na he was one of the players that I was handling because there were so many coaches.
Okay.
And then na-impress ako talaga sa ano niya. Sa coaches kasi, we always say this on air. How would you respond to for the lack of a better word, adversity? You know, and during that camp, no, medyo hindi maganda yung simula niya. Tinawag ko yung attention niya. And binalik ko siya kagad sa loob.
Matawag ng attention.
Bakit? Tinawag ko lang yung attention niya. Okay? And then,
Uy, meron nang bumabawi para sa'yo, Joe! May kakampi ka ngayon.
Punta ka lagi dito,
Joe, kulang pa rin kayong dalawa kahit magsama kayo. So, going back, no, and na-impress ako for a 14-year-old to respond that way. Kasi, pagbalik niya sa loob, sa scrimmage na yun,
Nakadunk.
dalawang dunk pa. And it totos. In other words, he dominated yung scrimmage na yun. Kaya, fast forward, eventually, nakalaban namin sila sa final, sa UAAP. Ayun, binigo pa kami as being a vital player for LaSalle as primarily a backup center / sometimes he would start. Ayun, natalo kami season 86.
Ayun lang.
Oo.
Alam ko,
Kaya-
Batang Gilas ka rin.
Yes
diba?
po.
Yeah.
What, can you tell me about that stint? You were with Gio Chu, the
Yes
other
po, Jiu-Jitsu.
champion?
Actually, Dave din po. Dave
Okay.
Alfonso. I think Batang Gilas 16 under, 2017 then na-pick din po ako dun sa 18 under. Yung kasama po sila Dave, sila Gio din po, sila Kai. And ayun, it's a great experience din for me to represent the country po.
Si Raven, no? Parang pag nakikita mo sa laro, tahimik lang, no? Hindi ganun kalakas yung, hindi ka
Yung dating.
Oo, pero biglang namumulot lang ng bola.
20 rebounds lang naman.
Ganyan, di ba? Oo. Kumbaga, isa to sa parang si John Nermal din, yung parang tahimik.
Pang Mark Meneses.
Oo.
Yung teardrop niya parang lason minsan.
Oo,
Parang,
di ba?
kaya na naman
Oo.
Naglaro ng kalaban, tapos teardrop. Ayun. Wala
Tsaka
na,
dire-diretso. Pag nasimulan si Raven sa game, tinatapos na niyang ganun siya.
Arguably has one of the best, yung teardrop na yun sa big man ngayon ng MPBL.
Kwento ni Mama, nung bata pa ako, parang lagi niya na ako binibila ng bola, lagi niyang binibigay sa akin yung bola. Pero, nag-start ako sa nung grade 2 and actually, yung mag-training na, actually parang ayaw ko pa yung basketball. And until na parang...
Ano yung gusto mo na?
Wala.
Anong sport?
I don't know. Mag-aral.
Okay.
To hang out.
Produce. This is a first.
Okay.
Here's the first sa episode na to. Kasi kung nasusundan mo lang yung mga previous episodes, yung mga guests namin, before mag-basketball, either nag-baseball, Jay Collado, nag-volleyball.
Oo.
Sino yung nagsepatak-raw?
Si Yambing.
Si William Bing. So nagtatayo kami ng Olympic team namin. Ngayon, ikaw ang first na nagsabi, mag-aral.
Sa Battle of the Brainstorm.
Battle of the Brains. Okay, sorry, go.
And ayun, and until na pilit lang sila Mama, and ayun, thankful na pinilit ako. Napunta ako kung saan ako ngayon.
Shout out to Mama because
Yes.
she's always in the
Bro.
games. Your mom's name is
Ronaldin Gonzalez.
Ronaldin Gonzalez.
Ronaldin, shoutout talaga. Dahil sa kwento ni Raven, pwede ko palang pilitin yung anak ko mag-basketball. Okay, pwedeng maganda pa rin ang kalabasan. Okay.
The best si Ma'am Ronald.
Oo, di ba?
Kita-kits sa origami.
Oo nga, sa Abra,
Banggit.
no? Okay. Raven, you've been in the MPBL for 2 seasons now. How has it been so far? Ano yung kumbaga, meron ka na bang learnings or is it too early to tell or how's your experience so far?
Well, syempre marami lang learnings, especially nung first season, kasama ko pa sila Kuya Mark. And
Mm.
Kuya Mark, one of the best mentors. There's swerte ng Rizal na nandun siya.
Yeah.
And, ayun, syempre, actually yung main difference nung, syempre, coming from college, UAAP to MPBL, yung talagang physicality din.
Mhm.
So, I think medyo nag-a-adapt na rin. Until now, nag-a-adapt pa rin naman po. And marami pa akong feel na marami ko pang matutunan po dyan.
Wait, I just have to say this really quickly. Because he is the third person who has already mentioned Marquis in Rebance. The first one was kay Manny Ladi. He said that someone whispered to his ear na he is the guy to be scared of.
Yeah.
Jay Collado, who is obviously a veteran in the MPBL, also said the same thing. Even to this day, he thinks Marquis is the most
Okay.
physical for his age
I
group.
know where this is going.
And now
Go.
it's Raven.
So, I think it would do us justice na dapat at some point before matapos tong season na to,
I-guess si Marquis.
Marky, we're calling you up.
Hmm.
Maging guest dito.
Pwede ba ako magtanong?
Okay.
Of course. I mean, ba't ka nagpapaalam? Come on!
Raven, syempre nakikita natin yung performance mo sa court. But
Di ba?
syempre, ang ano ko doon, ang tanong ko, kasi lagi, ang nakikita ko, you're always on the end of very physical play. No? Lagi kang, nahahawakan, syempre, laki mo na player. Saan nanggagaling yung calmness at yung poise mo?
Ganda.
Kasi parang,
ganda.
ako talaga, hindi ko siya nakikita nagagalit. Halos.
Walang
But may
reaction
point.
yung
Walang
mukha
reaction eh.
Sobrang ganda ng composure.
Oo. Where does that come from?
I don't know actually po. Pero siguro, since elementary pa rin po kasi, ganoon na rin talaga ako. Siguro the way na pinalaki rin po ako ni mama, na calm lang, ganun, kahit anong mangyari. Just be chill lang, ganun.
Walk away guy lang siya. No?
Very very patient and forgiving.
Yan ang gusto namin topic dito.
Teka, sports show ito Mukhang pa-transition ka
May girlfriend kasi.
Meron
yan.
Oh, may girlfriend.
Gusto ko naman
Okay,
patient
yes,
siya
yes,
and
yes.
forgiving.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you a very
Generally.
patient? Generally a very patient and forgiving person.
I like to think so po.
Ganda.
Then, medyo in-elevate ko lang. May tanong din sana.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Ganto po talaga silang dalawa. Ganto talaga sila. Kahit po on air, maririnig nyo, may mga love songs pa po yan.
Raven, from what I remember, because obviously our schools had their battles in the UAP, and I believe you had one more year, right? Salasan.
Actually, 2 po.
2. Okay, so thank you for the correction.
Okay.
So was it because we never got wind of the real reason, no? But was it because my assumption is Abra really pursued you. Talagang niligawan ka. Was this the case of why you left LaSalle after winning a championship?
Hindi, si PJ Pilares daw talaga yung reason nun.
Hindi ba humawak sa kanya?
Yes, Boss Peach.
Boss PJ.
Who is also the agent of our very own Dwight Ramos.
And Francis Lopez.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Sports Plus.
Kasi
Okay, go.
hindi lagi ni Boss Peach musta stats ng Abra dyan.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay,
Madala.
so tell us why.
Well, I think the main reason is lang po. I feel like this MPBL was, kunyari parang we decided as a family din na it will help me grow po coming into the PBA din. Kasi, syempre, the physicality and everything
Kumbaga, it's
po.
time. Ganun.
Yes po, it's time. I think na kasi technically 4 years na po ako sa college eh. Pero I still have 2 more kasi because of the pandemic. Hindi po ako na-line up nung season after pandemic. So, di ba yun po yung 2 seasons in one year.
Correct.
So, 2 years pa dapat. And I feel like it's time na rin po na to move on, na to go to another environment. And yun. And syempre nakatulong so much tong Abra sa akin. Thank you rin po sa
Tsaka
Abra.
siguro-
Maraming salamat din kasi to be perfectly honest, hindi ako nalungkot. Dahil nawalan kami ng pinahirapan kami nito eh.
Tsaka, baka magaling talaga manligaw si Kong JB Bernos.
Sa
Yeah?
tingin ko.
Shout out sa ating
Sa
Kong
tingin
JB.
ko.
Diba? Magaling,
The best.
magaling manligaw, di ba? Na naligawan si
Napakabait
Raven.
ni Kong.
Okay, so ayan ang naging journey ni Raven. Ngayon naman si Sed, no? Alam ko, Sed, galing kang Romblon. Nagsimula ka sa Romblon, tapos napunta ka ng Manila, nag-UE ka, Tapos bumalik ka ng Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Tama, sige, kwento mo yung journey mo.
Nung elementary ako, talagang volleyball player ako simula elementary.
Yun.
Volleyball player. Madadagdagan ni Olympic team natin. Sige, sorry.
Si Jay Collado.
Jake Collado,
volleyball
pangalawa
player.
siya.
Okay.
Okay, go.
So, nagpalaro ako dati sa elementary
Okay.
ng volleyball. Hanggang
Position.
Opposite spiker ako dati.
Spiker din.
Opposite.
Okay, okay.
Kaliwa.
oo.
So, hanggang high school. Tapos, encourage ako ng kuya ko sa mag-ibang sport kasi mas maganda daw yung opportunity sa basketball kaysa sa volleyball. So, nag-tryout kami sa UE noon. So, nung
Ano nang height mo nito? Curious na ako.
yung mga 5'9" siguro.
5'9" ka pa lang.
5'9".
Ngayon,
Taon ka nun?
Mga 16 siguro, 17.
17, 5'9" ka? Ngayon, mga 6'4", 6'5" ka na, di ba?
6'5 na.
Oo.
Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay mo? Bawat episode, bawat laro, bawat kontrobersya sa MPBL. Nandito kami para harapin lahat. Hanapin ang Rebanse sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts, at YouTube. Kung may gusto kang sabihin, may issue kang gustong harapin, o may Rebanse ka sa sinasabi namin ngayon, mag-subscribe, i-share, makiisa sa usapan.